Do you want to make $200, $500 per day using AI, even if you've never worked online before? Today, I'll give you a full step-by-step method to use AI tools to create content, digital products, and services that sell. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start and grow your AI income business. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share bonus tips and strategies to maximize your earnings quickly. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we earn money online. Here's why. Tasks that used to take hours, like writing articles or making videos, can now be done in minutes. You don't need to be a designer or programmer. AI allows you to scale your work without spending more time. Imagine producing 10 ebooks in one day, or creating multiple videos for YouTube without lifting a finger. AI makes this possible. For example, someone used ChatGPT and Canva AI to create 5 digital planners in a single day, sold them on Etsy, and made $350 in one day. That's the power of AI when used correctly. Step 1. Choosing the right AI tool is crucial. Some of the best options: ChatGPT. Generate content, scripts, blog posts, or social media captions fast. Canva AI. Create thumbnails, social posts, and even digital products like planners and templates. Pictory. Lumen 5. Turn scripts into videos automatically. Perfect for YouTube or social media. Copy.ai. Craft catchy titles, descriptions, and marketing copy to sell products or services. Tip. Start with one tool, master it, then slowly add others to scale your business efficiently. Step 2. Turn AI content into sellable digital products. Examples: ebooks or guides on trending topics, social media templates or post packs, mini tutorial videos or courses, printables, planners, and checklists. You can sell these on Fiverr, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Even selling one product per day can grow your income quickly. A user created 3 social media content packs using AI in 2 hours, uploaded them on Fiverr, and made $180 in one day. Small efforts can lead to huge results. Step 3. Automation is key to scaling. Use AI to write multiple scripts or articles at once, design graphics and thumbnails in seconds, convert scripts into videos without manual editing. This allows you to handle multiple projects at the same time, increasing your income without working extra hours. Extra tip: use scheduling tools like Buffer or Later to automate posting on social media. Step 4. Selling is where the money comes in. Tips: Fiverr and Upwork for service-based gigs. Etsy and Gumroad for digital products. Promote in social media communities and groups. Optimize product titles, descriptions, and tags for trending keywords. A person sold 2 AI-generated ebooks per day on Etsy, priced at $25 each. Within a week, they earned over $300. Marketing and keyword optimization played a huge role. Step 5. Scaling ensures long-term growth. Upgrade to premium AI tools for more features. Offer multiple products and services across platforms. Focus on trending niches: AI tools, productivity, money-making. Outsource repetitive tasks to freelancers when your income grows. By diversifying, you reduce risk and increase the chance of steady income. Extra tips: track which products sell best and focus on them. Keep learning new AI tools and strategies. Reinvest profits into better AI tools, advertising, or courses. Test multiple niches to find the most profitable one. Remember, the key is consistency and optimization. Many beginners fail because they try too many tools at once. They ignore marketing and promotion. They quit after 1 or 2 failures. Avoid these mistakes. Start small, master one tool, and focus on consistent effort. Success will follow. If you start today, AI can literally work for you while you sleep. Follow these steps, comment your first sale below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily AI money hacks. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow.